it, tucked way under the car seat, hidden beneath a fossilized layer of crushed goldfish crackers and sticky juice boxes. A dusty box. It wasn't Jake's missing T-Rex. Oh no, it was a mountain of Mom's secret bills. To keep things interesting, I've hidden 5 deep emotion words in this story. When a word pops up, a timer starts. Let's see if you can spot the hidden truth.
Is the T-Rex in there, June? I need him. He's the only one who knows how to fight the Giganotosaurus. Roar!
No T-Rex, Jake. Just a whole lot of papers with angry red ink. And, a shiny necklace that still has the store tag on it.
June! Jake! What on earth are you doing in the car? It's very dirty in there. Come out right now.
Whoa, is everything okay out here? Why does everyone look like they just saw a ghost in the driveway?
Haha, everything is completely fine, Mark. The kids were just looking for a toy. Right, kids? Just a fun little treasure hunt.
I really wanted to spill the beans. That's our first idiom, by the way. It means to tell a secret. But I stayed quiet. For now, anyway.
Well, all right then. Let's get inside. I bought some apples for a snack.
Oh no! Apples are boring! I want the dinosaur fruit snacks Mom bought yesterday. The blue ones!
Growing up, our house was always overflowing with things. New toys, new gadgets, and so many bags.
I'm home. Phew! And wait until you see the deals I found. These designer boots were practically free.
Lisa, the closet is already full. We literally cannot fit a single extra pair of shoes in this house without violating fire codes.
Oh, poof, but they were 70% off. It would be an absolute crime not to buy them. Think of the savings. They're an investment, Mark.
I'm the king of the cardboard castle! Look at my tower! It's way taller than June!
Mom wasn't just shopping, she was hoarding items we never even used. Boom, that's our first quiz word. Quiz time! What does hoarding mean? A. Donating clothes. B. Accumulating things excessively. C. Professional organizing.
Lisa, let's talk about this. Where is the money for the electric bill? The bank app says the account is completely empty again.
I must have misplaced the check. Yes, that's it. Don't worry. I'll definitely find it tomorrow. Let's just look at how pretty these boots are.
Mom, why do you even need more boots? You already have 3 identical pairs in the closet that still have the tags on them.
June, honey, don't be so suspicious. I'm just trying to make our home look nice and cozy.
The delivery trucks started coming every single day. Mom would literally sprint to the door before Dad got home.
Yay! The mailman is my absolute best friend! He brings us surprises every morning! Look! Another huge box!
These aren't happy surprises, Jake. These are problems. Lisa, please tell me why there is a brand new high-tech vacuum cleaner sitting in the hallway.
Well, our old one was making a weird humming noise. I just didn't want to take any chances with the carpets.
Lisa, the old one is only 6 months old. We can't keep doing this. All this random stuff costs an arm and a leg.
Ding ding! There's our second idiom. Costs an arm and a leg. Means something is very, very expensive. Write that down.
Stop yelling at me, Mark. You're upsetting the children. I'm doing my best here.
Dad isn't yelling, Mom. He's just really worried. We all are. The house felt so heavy. Honestly, I was starting to feel a lot of resentment toward Mom. Quiz word number 2. What is resentment? A. Extreme happiness. B. Bitter anger from unfair treatment. C. A type of furniture.
I don't like it when everyone is quiet and sad. Can we go to the toy store? That always makes Mom happy.
2 months later, the floor finally gave way on a random Tuesday afternoon. I found Dad sitting at the kitchen table, holding a certified letter.
They're taking the house, June. The bank just sent a foreclosure notice. We have to leave.
Mark, wait, I thought I had more time. I was going to sell some things online.
Sell what, Lisa? The thousands of dollars of literal junk piled up in the garage? It's too late. It's gone.
Mom, the shoebox I found in the car, it wasn't just a few random papers, was it? You've been hiding this for years.
I'm so sorry. I just felt so empty inside. The shopping was the only thing that made me feel special.
Wait, why are we moving? I like my big room. Where will all my dinosaurs live?
We're gonna move to a small apartment, buddy. We have to start over.
We can't ignore this huge elephant in the room anymore. Mom needs real help. We knew we had to have an intervention. It was literally the only way to save our family. Quiz word 3. What is an intervention? A. A group confrontation to get help. B. A surprise party. C. A school project. We gathered in the living room. It was definitely the hardest conversation we ever had.
Lisa, listen to me. We love you so much, but we cannot live like this anymore. No more secrets, and absolutely no more shopping.
Mom, using shopping to fix your pain is maladaptive. That means it's a bad habit that's actually hurting you way more than helping. Quiz word 4. What does maladaptive mean? A. Very helpful. B. Harmful or counterproductive. C. Really fast.
I really didn't realize how much I was hurting you guys. I just wanted to be the cool mom, the one with the best things.
We don't need shiny things, Mom. We just need you.
Here are the scissors, Lisa. We are cutting up every single credit card today, right now.
Ooh, can I help? I'm really good at cutting paper. Snip, snip, snip.
It's so scary. I feel like I'm losing my only protection.
You're not losing protection, Lisa. You're gaining your family back.
We are definitely under a lot of financial strain. But you know what? At least we are together. Final quiz word. What is financial strain? A. Extra savings. B. Money pressure causing hardship. C. A type of workout. We moved into a tiny, squished apartment. It was a huge change, but something really surprising happened.
Look, everyone, come look. The first strawberry is finally red. I grew this entirely myself.
And I found a worm. He doesn't cost an arm and a leg, Dad. He's totally free.
Haha, and honestly, he's a much better pet than that expensive robot dog you wanted last year, Jake.
Mom, you look really peaceful. You haven't even looked at a shopping app in weeks.
I'm learning that I don't need a brand new handbag to feel special. I just needed to be honest with myself and with you guys.
I'm incredibly proud of you, Lisa. We're finally a real team again.
You know, I don't even miss my big echoing room. This place feels so much warmer because there are no more lies hiding in the closets.
And we have way more room on the floor for board games. My turn to roll the dice.
It took losing almost everything to realize what we actually had all along.
I'm so glad you found that dusty old shoebox, June. It really saved us.
All right, crew, let's go for a walk in the park. No malls today, just trees and fresh air.
Wait, can the worm come? He needs to see the world. He's never been to the park.
Sure, Jake. The worm can definitely come too. Mom is going to her support group meetings every single week, and Dad is helping her stick to the new budget.
It's a lifelong journey, but I'm finally not doing it alone anymore.
Ready to go, everyone?
Ready? Roar!
Let's go.
We finally stopped chasing things and started chasing each other. Phew! Great job following our story. That was a tough, emotional one. But look at the amazing words you mastered today. Hoarding. B. Accumulating things excessively, just like Mom's crazy closet full of boots. Resentment. B. Bitter anger from unfair treatment. Exactly how I felt about all those secret lies. Intervention. A. A group confrontation to get help, like when we all sat down in the living room with Mom. Maladaptive. B. Harmful or counterproductive. A really bad, unhealthy way of dealing with stress. Financial strain. B. Money pressure causing hardship. The heavy stress of all that hidden debt. And don't forget, we also learned 2 great idioms. Spill the beans for telling a secret. And cost an arm and a leg for something that is just way too expensive. Homework time. Practice your English right now in the comments. Finish this sentence. To be frank, I spend too much money on.
I spent too much money on dirt. Wait, dirt is free. I'm rich, June. I'm super rich.
Ha ha! Thanks for watching the Whitmore family story, guys. See you in the next lesson.